Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Your inner vision. You can convince yourself of anything if you persist. Everything stems from the vision you hold in your mind. Make sure it's a vision of peace, happiness, and faith. Declare you're an overcomer and nothing can stand in your way. Create your own beliefs and allow the reality you choose to reflect your inner vision, calling, and purpose. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my friends, and I'm grateful for my family. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.